Welcome back to Chinese0tohero.com. Now let's take a look at a new grammar point.
What do you see in common in these two sentences? I am at school and she's home. Yeah, they both express locations, right? I'm at school, she's home. How might you express these ideas in Chinese? Do you think it's important to be able to express locations? Yeah, because oftentimes we need to ask for directions or ask the whereabouts of something, right? Ask the whereabouts of someone, perhaps. So in this grammar video, we will look at how to tell people where something or someone is. Please turn your textbook to page 66, and let's take a look at grammar point number 1. Simply put, to express locations, we use the word 在, meaning at. For example, I'm at school. 我在学校. My friend is at school. 我朋友在学校. She's home. 她在家. Even though in English we don't say she's at home, but we still have to use the word 在 in Chinese. 她在家. We cannot simply say 她家, otherwise it would be her home, right? 她家 would mean her home. 她在家 would mean she's at home. She's home. My mom is home. 我妈妈在家. He's under the chair. 他在椅子下面. The little dog is under the chair. 小狗在椅子下面. How do you say mom is home? 妈妈在家. Perfect. How about I'm at school? 我在学校. Very good.
Thanks for watching. Now see you in the next video.